This is what we call compromised door disease, CED. It's rubbing. Now, as we look at the door, it's loose, but this hinge here, it's worn out. We're going to replace it. So, there's a few tools in our arsenal we use. And this one here is a door lifter. So this will be going on the bottom. And I just use my foot to control the door so it doesn't flop over and I don't have to hold it and everything else. So this will be going to the bottom. Just like that. I can use my foot to control the door. Okay, so we are going to replace this hinge. And all you need is a screwdriver or an impact. I have this on the lowest setting, and we're going to pull the screws all out. I always leave one in each side as we pull it. Grab my tool here. And we can let it slip back. And we do have a very worn out hinge. Make sure the pin is on top. Pin always has to be on top. Now this one has the slight corners, so this one will work. Okay, so changing this hinge. Voila, it's just that simple.